guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to join the family by clicking the subscribe button below, and if you're an old subscriber, hey my love, what's up? So today guys, I'm going to be vlogging my Val's Day for you guys because I want you guys to just, you know, feel the love with me. As you can see, I'm really in the spirit as I'm wearing my red robe, you know. I'm really in the spirit, and I just want to make my loved ones happy. And yeah, so today what I have planned for Bay is a 3-course meal, and I just want you guys to see the process of me making the food and, you know, decorating my place with rose petals and candles. I just want it to be very intimate and very cute because, as you know, we are on lockdown, so we cannot go to the restaurant. So I want to turn my place into a restaurant basically. For appetizer, I have planned chicken wings, and for main dish I have planned mashed potatoes and lamb chops, and for dessert I'm thinking waffles and ice cream with like Nutella and, you know, strawberries. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's just gonna be vibes, just gonna be good vibes, and I just want to share my Val's Day experience with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video. So basically, I want to start with my lamb chops because I need to marinate it and keep it back in the fridge. So I'm going to show you guys the process. This is not a cooking channel, so I'm not going to be, you know, in depth to the explanation, but I'm going to show you guys the process as much as I can. So stay tuned.
Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
Now the lamb chops are in here. I'm just gonna go pop it in the freezer so that it can, you know, get very juicy and marinated, and then I'm gonna start with my mashed potatoes. So yeah, I've been locked in my room, because I don't know what this man is planning outside, but yeah. Okay. Me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean. Yeah, in the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel. Yeah, in the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch. So guys, the potatoes are ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and mash the potatoes with the masher.
Me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got everything.
all is coming together. It looks so nice. See the consistency of this. Like, it's coming together so nicely. Wow. Let's give it a taste test. Wow. I'm just gonna keep this in the oven so it remains warm, and I'll show you guys when I'm plating this. Now that I'm done with the mashed potatoes, I feel much calm because I know that was the main thing I was scared of making. I actually taste really good. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and make the appetizer, which is the wings. Guys, for the wings, I just got some frozen wings, but I'm gonna make a sauce for it, and I'm gonna like stir fry it with the sauce, and that's what's going to make this wings chef's kiss. So I'm just going to pop this in my air fryer, and let's see how that goes.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet, your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up.
Now that we're done with the wings, I wanted to start plating the dish because I want it to look really good, like restaurant style. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do something cute with this cucumber and put it on the side of the plates, and then hopefully it turns out nice.
Thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean. Yeah, in the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel. Yeah, in the empty bottle lies all the answers.
So yeah, this is what the wings look like right now. I'm so excited for Bay to see this and enjoy this, and yeah, I'm going to move over to the lamb chops now.
Oh, watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got everything.
perfect. Guys, I'm so excited.
Trying not to bend my feet, I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar.
Wow, this looks amazing. I can't believe I did this.
Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go.
Hey guys, so I'm done making the food and I'm also done getting ready. Let me show you guys the food and how it turned out. This is the main dish and it looks amazing if I do say so myself. I have my lamb chops here, I have my mashed potatoes, I have my asparagus, and it looks amazing. I can't wait for him to see this. And then I have the appetizer over here, which is our chicken wings. Oh my god, I'm so proud of how this turned out. The plating, everything is so amazing. And then we have some wine, and of course for dessert we have ice cream. Let me show you guys the ice cream I got. So I got the Ben & Jerry's cookie dough ice cream, and I also have an ice cream scoop, so I'm gonna scoop it onto a bowl and make it look really cute. I'll be sure to show you guys once I'm done, but right now I'm just going to work on decorating the place, and I really hope it turns out the way I want. Fingers crossed. Let's do this, guys.
Now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing.
I don't know why I'm so excited. This is some proposal kind of shit I'm doing, but I don't even care. Like, I just want to go all out for him because he actually deserves it. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying watching this. So guys, my baby girl is here. She just stopped by. Mwah, Sharon.
Hi, I just came to see she's set up amazingly. You're gonna see it on her channel next week. So
She said next week. By now you've already seen it.
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it.
Guys, he's here. Oh my god, I can't wait for him to see this. So I'm going to turn off the lights. Good. I'm going to turn off the lights and then I'll show you guys.
Well,
Guys, let me know how I did. Don't be wicked. You know I tried. You know I did that. Like, I actually did that. Yeah, I hope you guys also enjoyed this video as much as I did, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye my loves. Mwah.